Hello, everybody. My name is Mary Beth Barrett. Glad to be back with you all again for this last 7 weeks of our journey. I'm very excited, as I know you all are. My innovative project is with first year ADN students, and my goal of helping to bridge the gap between theory and clinical practice in the adult health sector in regards to pneumonia. So within my project, I have built in a simulation lab that is using two types of new technology that we have at the college. One is with Loomis technology, and the other is with Oculus, which is a virtual reality simulation. So it's been very interesting getting this up and going, and I'm really looking forward to the results. So I'll begin teaching that. Actually, I did a few tweaks this week, and then next week they're on spring break, and then after that we're full on. I've also included some case studies and different things and PowerPoints into my lecture that I'll be teaching. So I'm excited to get this off and started, and I hope you all are feeling the same way, and I look forward to seeing how everything turns out. Good luck to everybody.